how to find and follow members on Letterboxd. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to connect with people on Letterboxd? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. You need to head over to your browser and then open up the letterboxd.com. Now you can see members option at the top. Just go ahead and tap on it, and then here you'll find various suggestions, and then to add them you just need to tap on the plus icon. So just tap on it and now you have followed the member. It's as simple as that. So you can scroll down and see who is popular this week, and then you can see more suggestions at the bottom. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.